Imagine dropping your entire camera kit down a flight of stairs, or getting caught in a torrential downpour. Your heart sinks, right? Well, what if there was a case that could laugh in the face of those nightmares? Today, we're diving into the Nanuk 935 Pro Photo Kit, and let me tell you, this isn't just a case. It's a declaration of war against damage. Right out of the gate, the build quality is just phenomenal. We're talking about a crush-proof NK7 resin shell with an impact-resistant design. When they say ultimate protection, they mean it. Those two PowerClaw latches don't just close, they seal with a satisfying click that screams security. You feel it in your hands. This thing is built like a tank, ready to take on anything your adventures throw at it, from rough handling to unexpected drops. But it's not just about surviving impacts. This case is IP67 rated, which means it's completely waterproof and dustproof. Think about that for a second. Your expensive cameras, lenses, and accessories staying bone dry and dust-free, whether you're trekking through a desert or caught in a monsoon. That kind of peace of mind is truly invaluable for any serious photographer. Inside, the Nanuk 935 is just as impressive. The customizable padded divider system is a godsend. You can perfectly tailor it to fit your camera bodies, multiple lenses, and other delicate gear, ensuring everything stays snug and protected. And the lid organizer. That's a thoughtful touch. With 3 anti-tear zippered compartments, it's perfect for keeping those smaller, easily lost items like batteries, memory cards, and power cords neatly organized and instantly accessible. No more rummaging around. Now, for portability, this is where the 935 really shines as a travel companion. It features a smooth rolling set of polyurethane wheels and a 2-level retractable handle. Navigating airports or uneven terrain becomes a breeze. And here's the kicker, it's airline carry-on approved. That's huge. You can keep your most valuable gear right with you, avoiding the anxiety of checked luggage. Plus, the integrated lid stays are a small but mighty detail, keeping the case securely open for easy access when you're working. Finally, for security, the reinforced stainless steel padlock eyelets are TSA lock-ready. While the Nanuk TSA lock is sold separately, having that option means your gear stays secure but still accessible for inspection during travel. It's the perfect protective air travel case for serious photographers who demand the best. In summary, the Nanuk 935 Pro Photo Kit isn't just a hard case. It's an essential piece of gear that offers unparalleled protection, smart organization, and effortless portability. It's an investment that truly safeguards your passion.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.